Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best blemish kit available on the market, the Boxoyx 10PC's Blackhead Remover Comedone Extractor Kit. If you're tired of stubborn blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples, this kit promises to offer a professional solution right in the comfort of your own home. The Boxoyx Pimple Popper Toolkit comes with 10 different styles of tools designed to tackle a variety of blemishes on your chin, cheeks, forehead, and nose. Each tool is crafted from 100% stainless steel, ensuring safety, durability, and resistance to rust. This means they won't cause sensitivity or irritation, making them suitable for all skin types, especially acne-prone skin. One of the standout features of this kit is its ergonomic non-slip handle design. This thoughtful touch allows for better control and precision, so you can apply just the right amount of pressure needed to remove blemishes effectively without damaging your skin. The tools feature double-ended designs, giving you the versatility of 17 different functions within just 7 physical tools, making it easy to find the perfect extractor for any type of blemish. Using the kit is straightforward. For best results, warm your face with a hot towel to open up the pores, then disinfect the tools and your skin area with alcohol before use. After carefully extracting the blemishes with the appropriate tool, clean your skin again and apply toner to soothe and protect the pores. This method significantly reduces the chances of scarring compared to traditional finger squeezing. The entire set comes in a sleek, compact metal case which not only keeps all the tools organized but also makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're at home or traveling, this kit stays neat and ready for use at any time. It also comes with a 12-month quality assurance, reflecting the brand's confidence in their product. The Boxoyx Pimple Popper Toolkit is perfectly sized and lightweight, making it a convenient addition to your skincare routine. It's designed to empower you to achieve the same results that you'd expect from professional treatments, without the hefty price tag. In summary, this blemish removal kit offers a comprehensive, safe, and precise way to manage blackheads and pimples. With stainless steel construction, ergonomic handles, multiple tool options, and a handy case, it stands out as a reliable choice for anyone serious about clear skin. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in a blemish kit that truly delivers, the Boxoyx 10PC's Blackhead Remover Kit is worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.